Take a break and join us. Gold Town, the Pahrump Nugget, and Lakeside Casinos.
In this week's court report, the Pahrump woman arrested back in 2014 and charged with DUI, causing substantial bodily harm, and battery with use of a deadly weapon, is now sentenced and must turn herself in May 22nd. Michelle Rose Trudeau hit a man during a DUI auto pedestrian incident after she allegedly angrily left a party. That victim was airlifted to UMC in Las Vegas due to the extent of his injuries. During Trudeau's sentencing hearing Monday, a representative for the state noted that Trudeau does not have much of a criminal history, but she's been cited on numerous traffic violations since that DUI incident occurred. The victim in that case and his mother testified Monday, saying his health issues have become worse since the incident occurred and that he will have seizures for the rest of his life. The victim and his mom also said the defendant's insurance company has paid $15,000 toward his medical bills, but notes they still deal with daily struggles because they say they only received $6,000 cash from Trudeau's insurance. The court set a restitution hearing in this case for August 14th, admonished the defendant in regard to her actions, and sentenced Trudeau by following the recommendations of the division. The court then granted Trudeau's attorney's request for 2 weeks to get her affairs in order and was ordered to turn herself in at 5 p.m. May 22nd. The Pahrump man arrested after confessing to killing his 75-year-old adopted mother back in July 2015 has also been sentenced. Robert Marigold received life in prison with a possibility of parole after he has served 10 years. Marigold was also sentenced to $178 in fees, 96 to 240 months on the enhancement with a deadly weapon charge, and it will run consecutive with 652 days credit for time served. During Friday's sentencing, the victim's daughter also requested the state read her victim statement for the record. Then the rep for the state argued in support of the court imposing the maximum sentence in this case. New trial dates of December 12th through 15th have now been set for Diane Davis. This after the district court vacated the previously set March trial dates for Davis. She's the Pahrump woman connected to the killing of 17 dogs after a fire was reportedly intentionally set inside her home. During Davis's status hearing Monday, the defendant addressed the court in regard to her concerns over her attorney, Nathan Gent. Davis requested the court appoint a new attorney for her. Mr. Gent addressed the court and outlined the issues he has with Davis. She provided rebuttal argument in regard to having the court appoint her a new attorney. Then Mr. Gent requested that the court set trial dates in this case. The court also set a calendar call for this matter, November 11th. Davis also has a second case in which she was found guilty on 2 of 3 counts after being charged with obtaining and using personal ID, false instrument for filing, offering, and burglary. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.